How good are Dippy eggs? I loved them when I was a kid and I still love them. And I'm going to change it up slightly today, not just with regular buttered toast, but Vegemite buttered toast. It's a thing. It's incredible and it works so well with Dippy eggs. So I've got fridge cold eggs and they go into some rapidly boiling water. So I'll add 2. I like my yolks to be runny, so no more than 4 minutes. Now onto the butter. Now you're going to need really good quality butter for this. I've got some certified organic butter, Australian butter, and I have brought it out of the fridge about 3 hours ago. I want it to be room temperature. So we're going to add a generous chunk of this butter into a bowl, about 2/3 of it. And we'll just break it up with a knife. Look how soft and lush that is. And to the butter, I'll add a generous amount of Vegemite. Now, it may seem obvious, why don't you just butter the toast and then spread on some Vegemite? But it's just different because as you whip this, it becomes really luscious and silky. Then you spread it on warm toast, it's just magic. And with my hand blender, I'm going to whip this until we've got a luscious, silky texture. All right, have a look at this luscious whipped Vegemite butter. So delicious. Just got some toast here, so nice and hot, and we're going to spread lashings of this butter. Very generous with it, more than usual, because it is that good. And on the second one, and you can see the difference with the butter after you've whipped it at room temperature. It just becomes so easy to spread over the toast. Now, Dippy eggs require little soldiers, so we're just going to cut the crust off there and make nice big soldiers to place next to our eggs. Just pile them up just on the side. And for the eggs, let's just check to make sure that they're perfectly runny. And a little pinch of salt just on that yolk. And now for the fun part, grabbing one of these Vegemite butter toasties and dipping in. Oh, look at that egg yolk, just right. The toast itself is so good with the lashings of butter and Vegemite, but then dipping it in to that creamy egg yolk just tops it off. Just 4 ingredients, absolute magic.